best robot mops of 2024, our top picks. If you're the kind of person who prefers automated cleaning, then a robot mop is one of the best ways to modernize your kitchen floor. However, robot vacuums are considered a standard, but an exponential increase in these kinds of devices has integrated a wide range of mopping functions. Gad Insider has compiled a list of a few exceptional robot mops available at affordable prices. UFi Omni S1 Pro. UFi Omni S1 Pro is an amazing robot mop that incorporates cutting-edge self-cleaning technology that ensures it stays neat during the entire mopping process, offering a clean surface each time. Additionally, it needs minimal maintenance with a concise navigation system and efficiently delivers approximately 8,000 PA of suction power, offering a smooth lifting of dust, debris, and more, available for $1,500. Dream X40 Ultra. Get your hands on this robot vacuum only if you're willing to splurge. It offers an invincible suction power of 12,000 PA that pushes the boundaries towards perfection with outstanding mopping capabilities, a massive 6,400 mAh battery, and more notable features that lead to an enhanced user experience, available in $2,000. Ultenic T10 Pro. If you're looking for a budget-oriented robot vacuum, the Ultenic T10 Pro would be worthy to consider, as it provides several innovative features. It provides a 4,000 PA of vacuuming power to effortlessly lift maximum debris while ensuring safe cleaning, as it utilizes LiDAR sensors for object detection and extends support for other devices, including Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant, available for $400.